We are pleased to show you the 2025 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic air conditioning, front bucket seats, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.